Thokozani makhehla, thokozani bogogo, thokozani bomkhulu. Ngiyanibingelela futhi ilanga nalamuhla. Mina uMoyane insizwa kaNkosi, uzalwa uGoyesa insizwa kaSezeba. Ngiyanibingelela makhehla amata, ngiyanibingelela nina abantu abaphila phansi komthunzelanga. Nginibingelela nonke ngenkulu inhlonipho makhehla. Akubeni kuhle. Kuningi okwenzakalako emuntwini. Ziningi izinto ezenzakala kuwe muntu ophethwe isimo sabantu abadala. Now, today I'd like to teach about the things you encounter before uvuma ukuthatha isikhwama. The things that you encounter before we accept and kwenzakalani kuwena emzimbeni, kwenzakalani kuwena in your life as a whole, you understand? Now, did you know that ukuthi amakhehla wona on their own, khona amakhehla are-soft, khona amakhehla anolaka, they quite aggressive, you understand? And now you need to understand that you are the middleman in each and every single conversation that they have amongst each other. So now all those conversations that they have amongst each other, they are based on the gift they're trying to give you and that you have to fulfill. You understand? The things that you are shown there, the things that you go through in your life, it starts with them. Iqala kubona abantu abadala, iqala kubona ukuthi bona bakupha kanjani. Because of baba nama meetings amongst each other because of you. They're fighting amongst each other because of you. The more you ignore, the more they fight. Now, how does the fight impact you? Their fight, they impact your life in so many ways, in a sense of what you end up being depressed, you end up being bipolar, you end up being in so much stress, you end up being like mentally disturbed, you end up being sick, you end up being caught up in fights that you don't know, you end up being hated, you understand, because of their fights that they have amongst each other. Konke lokho kwenzakala ngoba they don't abekho in agreement, they're not connected because of now you are ignoring their calling, you are ignoring into abakuthuma ukuthi uyenze, you understand? So now, for instance, as umntwana omncane lo umzele uyamthuma ukuthi mfana gijima hamba uthenga isinkwa or whatever, when loyo mntwana loyo I-ignore that, yakwata, you see that as disrespect, you see that as rebellious in a sense ukuthi akakulaleli, you understand? So now amadlozi, they take that and they think that you are rebellious, they think that ukuthi no, they take that as you do not respect their wishes, you do not respect their bona self, respect in inhlobo, you understand? So now, irrespect kubo, they put it up there. If you do not listen to them, definitely sure all hell will break loose. It starts on ukuthi wena ubahlonipha kanjani abantu abadala before they can respect you, because of now they gave birth to you. You have to respect them first, so that ukuthi whatever request that they have ukuthi kwamele nizwane, kwamele nibe ne-connection ezwakalako. You do not understand your gift because of your ignorance. That's why uzohlangana, like that's why it's gonna puzzle you. That's why izokuhlangahlanganisa ngenye indlela nje tithi usathanda. You won't understand ukuthi uphethwe idlozi elinjani, uphethwe amadlozi aqhamuka kephi, uphethwe idlozi elifunani kanjani, ngoba baza ngamabutho, you understand? Baza ngokuningi kwabo kuwe to show that ukuthi lo in, you need to understand this. Idlozi nedlozi liza ngento, liza ngomthwalo, liza with a burden onto them, giving it to you. You understand? That's why you do not understand ukuthi uphethwe idlozi elinjalo, uphethwe idlozi likhaba ubani, uphethwe idlozi liqhamuka kuphi. You won't understand that because of amadlozi, they occupying your space. The space that abe occupy your kuwe simply means ukuthi ke manje yonke into oyenza uyenza nabo. They have the right to reject whatever that you want and whatever that you need. They can take and leave you with nothing. They're gonna occupy your space. They're gonna occupy your peace. They're gonna occupy each and every single thing that you're trying to build because of now they don't have peace on their own. Abana ndawo la yokuthula la bangakhona. Ayithola into engisho. So now they're gonna try by all means to close those doors for you. They occupy each and every single thing, even your relationship, even your any kind, your friendship, abantu bakuzonde. It's because of now they're trying to get that attention when I told them in short. So now those fights that they have, they're gonna cause conflict in each and every part of your life. They're gonna cause conflict in each and every thing that you touch. Initially, when that happens, izandla zakho ziba mnyama. Everything that you touch goes dark. Everything that you're trying to do goes dark. Even nanoma uphahla ebumnyameni because of now, how are you going to communicate with idlozi elikwatile? How are you going to have a civilized conversation with amadlozi akwatile? Because of nothing will go through that. There's no message kuba nebonda elakhako la ukuthi ke manje kungabikho i-connection ezwakala ngoba uxoxa nabantu abakwatile because of now mabakwatile abantu abadala, they're gonna cause conflict. Everything's gonna be chaotic in your life. You understand? So now ukuze isimo sibe right when you must understand your calling and you must acknowledge it. You understand? You must acknowledge that calling. You must acknowledge the message that they pass on to you. Like konke lokhu abakuletha kuwena emaphushweni. The reason being ukuthi amaphupho sometimes they fade away because of now bayadikila, meaning that bangithi bayadikila bayangala, they turning the back onto you like back flathead. I tell them sure and it's not a nice thing masiyenzaka because of each and everything manje ke iba mnyama. Unokuvuka ekuseni heavy hearted, like inhliziyo yakho ibuhlungu that feel like ufisa ngathi ungakhala nosizi, like you so emotional, like like awufuni ukwenza next. That happens because of amadlozi bayadikila ke manje. Ayithola into engisho, they ignoring you, this like they irritated because of you. Ayithola into engisho, they have their emotions, they quite extraordinary, like ama-emotions wabo acontrola wuwe nomqamba wakho, the way you think, the way you do things. You understand? The way you communicate with them. So now if awenzi izinto the way bacela ukuthi uye uzenze ngakhona, definitely sure them bazodikila. What I mean by that, uyabonisa emaphushweni sharp. Certain things that you see in your dreams ziyenzakala. Certain things that you see in your dreams simply means ukuthi kuphuka isikhathi siyahamba. Certain things that you see in your dreams simply means ukuthi kwamele uyenze into yakhona ukuze uzokwazi ukuthi bahlangane nawe ncancane. You think that ukuthi bakushaya kanje because of abakuthandi? No, bakuthanda kakhulu ngenye indlela nje, bakuthanda kodwa ukungalaleli kwakho will cause a fight amongst themselves and they wanna fight you back. The reason being ukuze kube kanje, idlozi liyangena laphuma kuwe, liyangena laphuma kuwe ngoba alikho stable. What I mean by that, unokugula emzimbeni, uphathwe intoni, uphathwe izinto ezihlangahlangene, uphathwe iy'nyawo, uphathwe like ube constipated, isisu sakho sigcwala umoya, uphathwe ikhanda, amadlebe adume, like uphathwe ikhanda, uchachazele, like iy'nyawo zakho zilokhe, iy'nyawo zakho zibande, all that symptoms that you get. Amadlozi ayakushaya, amadlozi baletha ukufa kunjalo, bakutshengisa ukuthi uphethwe ukufa, angithi? So now, when they're occupying your space, you're gonna be overwhelmed by all this kind of emotions, by all this kind of sicknesses that uyithola kuwena. Ayithola into engisho. So now, amadlozi, they're occupying it now, but the minute ungene ephehlweni, that's when they get aligned properly. That's when they get aligned properly. That's when they know who's who in the zoo. Because of now, at this particular moment, everyone wants to dominate. Everyone wants to be the head of the clan. You understand? So that's why izinto zakho zingahambi the way uthanda ukuthi zihambe ngakhona, because they're fighting amongst themselves, like izinto zihlangahlangene ke khehla. So now, for you to get your ancestors aligned, kwamele acknowledge the gift, do what you have to do, and you grow by that. Because of amadlozi, their emotions, they can cause everything to go dark. Amadlozi mawahleli phambi kwakho, nawe uzogcina ube umuntu uzithole ngesinye isikhathi uxoxa uyi-one ungazi ukuthi uxoxa yini oxoxa ngayo, uzithola nje and you dip in that zone, uthole uxoxa nje ungatholi ukuthi uxoxa ini kanjani nobani. Amadlozi banawe, they occupying your space, and most people don't think you're crazy, but you're not. You're in contact with your ancestors. You're in a meeting. You understand? Because amadlozi, most of the time, most of their life before Tati Kwamazabo, they're gonna always require meetings with you. Whether you sleep, you're gonna talk maulele. Whether you walk on the street, whether you're driving, whether you doing anything, they're gonna always require meetings with you so that it can sink in your head that they are indeed alive. They are indeed with you. They are indeed nawe ngaso sonke isikhathi. So they're gonna each and every single thing. Mhlawumbe uvuka nje usithole unjani, usithole soxoxa uyi-one, usithole socula spiritual songs, they requiring that to you ukuthi bakutshele ukuthi sila, we're not going anywhere. You understand? So iyenzakala kanjalo ke khehla isimo leso sinjalo ngoba bala nawe, bangena bayaphuma kuwena emzimbeni, bangena baphuma kuwena emzimbeni. The minute bangena phakathi kuwena emzimbeni, usithole sobhodla, usithole sonjani njani njani njani, uthole sokhathele, baphakathi kuwena, mabaphuma kuwena ukhathala kakhulu, mabaphuma kuwena uyagula, mabaphuma kuwena ngoba manje baphumelani, angithi alikho stable idlozi, lizohlala lingena liphume, lihlale lingena liphume. Ngesinye isikhathi uthola ngathi uphathwa amadlozi sebaphakathi kuwena, ngesinye isikhathi uzithola so-right. Kodwa immediately masothatha ikhwama zakho, amadlozi akho aba-aligned, ahlala kuwe full time. That's why uthola izangoma zihlala zi-fresh, zihlala zi-right ngoba amadlozi, they are aligned and they know who's who in the zoo and everything is in order. Now, at this time, they are not organized. Amadlozi akho are not organized. They need to be organized by when acknowledging it and by doing certain things that they require ukuthi wena uzenze ngokuphahla kanje. Now if they don't respond to that, just know that ukuthi-ke manje sebangcolile. Ukungcola kwabo is being created by the fights that they have, because bona self lapha bakhona bayagadlana ngemikhonto, ubone sobona umkhulu aphethe imikhonto agcoke ijazi anjani anjani anjani, which means uya empini. Ayithola into engisho, uya empini uzolusa nabanye abantu bomndeni bakho from the other side. Yayithola into engisho, and makabuye ubuye aphethe ingadi igazini lakhe, kwamele umgeze ukuthi uyaphahla emkhulu kanjani kanjani kanje, ayikho into ayiphendulayo, sekangcolile, kwamele agezwe. Hayi, that's why mangithatha isikhathi zokuthatha ikhwama zeni, kwamele ngicale negezwe, kwamele kucale kube njani, kwamele the reason being iphupha amanzi kakhulu is because of amadlozi sewasuka angcolile ngesinye isikhathi, afuna ukugeza, afuna ukuhlanjululwa lezi zimpi lezi babuya kuzona. Ayithola into engisho. So now let's communicate ngalezo ndlela lezo, understand, acknowledge it. Every time when you run, they run with you. Every time you're trying to hide, wearing beads, Certain beats they causing conflict. Certain beats that you wear, yes, ubuhlala buthize 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 buthize. Ngesinye isikhathi zithi thina we are in the standard now. It doesn't mean that go buy the beats and wear it. And uzimangane maqeda ukugcoka lezo beats uhlangahlangana ngenye indlela uthi izinto ziba mnyama izinto ziba njani. Kodwa khona abunye ubuhlala mathi baphupha bayafuna ncam 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 ukuthi ube nabo ukuthi ubuhlale bukhona kuwena ukuthi bahlangane ukuthi babe right ukuthi izinto zihambe ngendlela and ukubonisa ukuthi ukhethiweyo. Uyathola into engisho. So now ezinye izinto nje kwamele nje ubuze ukuthi okay kuhamba kanjani masuku nje mangiphupha ubuhlale obuthize kusho ukuthini. Uyayithola into engisho ngoba obunye ubuhlale buyaxoxa nomuntu. Uyayithola it doesn't mean that ukuthi kwamele ukuphahlele ekhehla lami maqeda ukuphahlela bona abantu abadala baze bazokutshela ukuthi okay sifuna 1 2 3 4 5 or ngesinye isikhathi bathi phahla gcoka. Uyayithola into engisho. So now this is not uniformed. If you're gonna think spirituality it's uniformed, no, it's not. It's not uniformed. So when into kumele ukuthi uyenze, you must just follow ama-request yamadlozi yakho. Ungaboni usompempe ubuhlalo obuthize abugcoke. It doesn't mean that now you have to do that because of amadlozi awafani. Amadlozi they are not uniformed at all. So now things change amadlozi. Things change each and every single day because of they change their minds at some point. They have that ability of changing their minds. They have the ability of changing like everything. I told you in short, they have emotions, they have brains, have that power to change everything that they want. So that's why when amadlozi they are not uniformed, it's not always like this. I told you in short, since that's why you need to get a mentor. That's why you need to understand ukuthi yini lapho. That's why you need to understand ukuthi nanoma uphupha, let's say for instance ihashi igijima. It doesn't mean that go get that hash ugijima ugibele ulenze njani. Lixoxa indaba kuwena. Uyathola into engisho. So every time when the mind changes, even a dream changes. I told you short, even the way we interpret the dream changes. You understand? Because of now, immediately when you speak about your dream, and we get connected to your people, and then that's how we understand. That's how that's how explainela yona ukuthi isho ukuthi isho ukuthi isho ukuthi isho ukuthi. You understand? So now it's very important for you to understand that, and ukuthi ke amadlozi ahlala ukuthi ahlangane kwamele ayenzini wena muntu kwamele wenzeni for you to understand your gift ukuthi kufunekale ukuthi kwenzakalani. Acknowledge your dreams. Acknowledge the emotions that you have in each and every day. Understand how do you acknowledging them. But ukwenza like let go. Let go umzimba wakho. Let go of your brain. Don't allow yourself to fight it because immediately when you fight it, you're causing problems onto your life. I told you in short, just let it be and vuma ukuthi basebenze ngawe, then they're going to be at peace. You understand? So sizoqhubeka sixoxe ngalolu daba makhehla nifundise ukuya phambili. Ngiyabonga, thanks for tuning in. Please do subscribe makhehla, and we're gonna have a workshop very very soon. The workshop that ezoba nayo is about how to communicate nomfula. We're going to go to the river. I posted the flyer on my YouTube page. So now into zenzakala khona, we're going to go to Emfuleni, and then when we get there I'm going to teach everything about the river, their emotions, on how they communicate with you, what to do when you phahla. Like I'm going to teach everything about the river. Please do tune in, and for more information please go to my Instagram page and my Facebook page at Moyane underscore Nkosi, Instagram and Facebook Moyane Nkosi Moy. So now, so that you can get more information about the workshop, and yeah, and very soon I'm gonna do a live video on Instagram again. I'll definitely keep you posted, and thank you for tuning in. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to ask and comment. Asifundisaneni, asikhuleni makhehla ngithi akubeni kuhle kudede obumnyama kuvele kukhanya. Mina ngonankosi, gogo Moyane Nkosi. Ndawo.